Hey friends, if you wish to disable function keys in Windows, then please watch this video. So Windows 11 had some methods, but here's the thing. If you want to do it in Windows 11, then here's what you'll have to do. Click on the function key on your keyboard, and then all the function keys would be activated, and similarly to disable it you have to click on function 1. Now this is for the newer keyboards. Older keyboards had a function lock alongside these other locks like the number lock and all. They had another lock called function lock, and in some case computers, in some keyboards, you have to press the function key along with the escape key. But if you do not understand anything, then just press Windows plus Control plus O to open the on-screen keyboard and press the function key here. So this will change the keys anyway, and if you see function keys here, it means that function keys are enabled. If it is in, if this function key has some color, then the function keys are enabled, and when you click on it again, then the function keys are disabled. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.